Are you tired of your Discord server being a chaotic mess where anyone can do anything? Learn how to create and assign roles for total control in under 3 minutes. First, we'll go to Server Settings and create a new role. Then we'll set permissions and assign it to members. Go ahead and open Discord on your computer or in your browser. Once you're in, click on your server's name in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Server Settings. In the left sidebar, click on the Roles option to see the roles list. Now, click the Create Role button to start making a new role. Give your role a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for. Then, choose a display color to help visually distinguish this role from others. Next, go to the Permissions tab and toggle on the specific permissions you want this role to have, like read messages, send messages, or manage channels. Once you've set the permissions, click Save Changes to apply them. Now, head to the Manage Members tab to assign this role to people. Click the Add Members button to bring up a list of server members. Scroll through or search for the user you'd like to give this role to. Finally, click Add to assign the role, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.